Did you know that the biggest challenges often come disguised as the most impossible opponents? For 8-year-old Jamal, that challenge had a name: Marcus "Tank" Thompson. The Riverside Ravens rolled into town undefeated, led by a 10-year-old giant who towered a full foot above Jamal. During warm-ups, Tank flexed his muscles and showed off his strength while his teammates laughed and pointed at the smaller boy. But Jamal wasn't intimidated. He was studying. His sharp mind noticed something crucial. Bigger players often forgot about speed and smarts. His coach shared stories of legendary upsets where smaller teams beat giants through preparation and heart. When the game began, it became a chess match. Jamal used his lightning speed and football intelligence to stay one step ahead of Tank's raw power. Every play was calculated. Every move was strategic. In the final moments, with everything on the line, Jamal didn't need to be the biggest or strongest. He just needed to be the smartest, and sometimes that's exactly what it takes to prove that heart beats size every single time.